Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Chevy Super Volt. It's not a new casting, but it's more of a release. I didn't have this one before, so I got it. It's based on a Chevy Volt. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Chevy Volt or Super Volt out of its packaging. First thing you will notice that it's unlike regular Volt, which is electric car. It's got big spoiler, a bigger motor. Yeah, that's not an engine, that's a motor. Also, a parachute in the back, I guess, just for braking. Looks like those wheels which you have for drag cars. Those wheels or this back piece, I'm not pretty sure. But yeah, apart from that, again, it looks like a modified car. So you've got flared wheel arches, which are this big as spoiler. Sorry, I said that you would. Apart from that, up front, there are not much details there. You can see that outlines for the headlamp, Chevy badge, and the fog lamp, but they are not detailed. No rear view mirrors. Coming to the driver side, it's got some nice design or paint here. Reads Volt, Hotwheels. Wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. Nothing special there. No mirrors. As I said, it's the older one. Hot Wheels didn't do mirrors in older time. They started doing it recently on most of their casting, but not before. This is how it looks from the top. Again, on the rear, some good details. The parachute and this thing for drag racing. You can see the outline for the tail lamps, but again, they are not finished or detailed. Interior is done in black. I do see there are certain things like it misses on the back seat and stuff. Probably taken out for racing. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Overall, I wouldn't say it's anything special, but there's nothing wrong with a mainline casting either. And if you can add few details, it should look good. I'm not a big fan of this paint, but then again, well, at least it is a hot EV kind of thing by Hot Wheels. And I'm pretty sure it's a re-release because if you see, it's 2014 metal. So definitely re-release. Should you add this to your collection? Depends on you. If you are a fan of these cars, then sure. If not, you can pass it on if you want. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.